Welcome to Science with Solomon and Barry.
What are we doing today?
A project which is down here. Today's project is Cut! Today we're gonna do an engineering project.
What is it?
A marble run. And this is what we need for the project. Paper towel rolls, tape, and a marble, and a go-go cap to hold your rolly thing. Start taping things, ask an adult. And you also need scissors. Be careful with the scissors so you don't cut yourself. We're gonna cut some in half to make holes like this. We cut holes in some of them, and I made an opening so the marble can come out, and it's just right for the marble to go in and out. Tape them onto my board. What if you don't have a marble? What can you use? You can use pom-poms or other things. Go grab a pencil to draw the lines on the board to make the path go right.
What are you doing?
Making paths. We made a path so the marble can go down by gravity. We made the gravity track. Now we're gonna tape our paper towel rolls to the board. We engineered my marble run. Now you're going to see how it works.
Uh-oh, it got stuck somewhere. What do you think happened?
We're gonna add some pipe cleaners into the tubes and see if it creates friction. Friction.
What's it called?
Friction.
Oh. Okay,
What?
we're ready. What force do you think is making it come downward?
Gravity.
Oh, okay, let's try this ball.
Okay. It stopped.
Are you ready? I'm gonna
Yeah.
try the marble.
Go. Ow!
Here's a pom-pom. This is lighter weight. Do you think this will go faster or slower?
Slow.
Okay, here we go.
It's actually a little fast, medium fast.
Okay, now we're gonna try a little foam ball.
Oh. Makes it go loud.
Are you ready? Let's try the marble.
Go! Yeah! Science with Solomon and Barry's done. It will go even faster. It went really fast!
Now let's try 2 pom-poms.